Hello everyone, this is Jag. Well, in this video I'm going to cover 5 vegetables that you can grow in the extreme heat of summer of over 40 degrees Celsius, which is over 104 degrees Fahrenheit. So if you live in an area where it gets really hot, you can always depend on these 5 vegetables to grow in your garden and be your companion. So let's get started.
Number 1, eggplants. Eggplants like hot weather. They prefer temperature between 80 degrees Fahrenheit to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 26 to 32 degrees Celsius. However, eggplants also do really well in temperatures over 40 degrees Celsius, which is over 104 degrees Fahrenheit. For more heat tolerance, grow Mediterranean type round eggplants. In hot weather over 104 degrees Fahrenheit and 40 degrees Celsius, make sure you water your plants really well and keep the soil moist at all times. Number 2, hot peppers. Peppers like temperature between 75 degrees Fahrenheit to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 24 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius. While certain peppers will not grow in extreme heat and might drop the flowers, hot peppers like jalapenos, serranos, and habaneros will do really well in extreme heat over 104 degrees Fahrenheit or 40 degrees Celsius. Sweet peppers such as bell peppers are not heat tolerant at all and will not do well over 95 degrees Fahrenheit or 35 degrees Celsius. Bell peppers prefer shade to avoid sunburns in the extreme heat of summer. A summer favorite, tomatoes, also does not like temperatures over 104 degrees Fahrenheit or 40 degrees Celsius. While cherry tomatoes will do well in extreme heat and might also produce some tomatoes, heirloom tomatoes do not like heat at all and they will start dropping flowers over 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 3, okra. I love growing okra in summer, and okra does really well in extreme heat. While okra will start to produce while temperatures about 80 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 26 to 32 degrees Celsius, when the temperature crosses over 100 degrees Fahrenheit, and as long as you keep watering okra plants will do extremely well and start to produce a lot of okra.
Last year we planted about 10 plants of okra and those plants became 6 feet tall. This year I've planted 2 rows with 75 plants each, so 150 plants total. So okra is starting to produce on these plants and these plants are going to become huge as well.
Number 4, sweet potatoes. While sweet potatoes prefer temperature between 70 degrees Fahrenheit to 95 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 20 to 35 degrees Celsius, sweet potatoes will also do extremely well in high heat over 104 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 40 degrees Celsius. Always start your sweet potatoes from sweet potato slips. I made a separate video on how to grow sweet potato slips, so check that video out if you're interested. If you live in a region with extreme heat, you will never go wrong with planting sweet potatoes and you will get a lot of sweet potatoes as the heat rises. Number 5, squash, gourds, and pumpkins. This includes zucchini, yellow squash, bitter gourd, and sugar pie pumpkins, etc. Squashes such as zucchini and yellow squash will do really well in extreme heat over 104 degrees Fahrenheit. I also love to grow bitter gourd in summer as well, which also does really well in over 104 degrees Fahrenheit. If you want to maximize your production in summer, always grow squashes, gourds, and pumpkins.
Squash is super easy to grow. Look at the row of squash right behind me. We have about 20 plants and they produce about 20 pounds of squash every other day. And squash is a fail-safe crop you can grow in your garden. Well, check out this squash plant. And the funny thing is, I didn't plant it. It actually grew from the seed from last year. We actually threw a lot of vegetable plants that were overripe and done in the end of the season, and we just, added into the ground to get organic matter, and it produced a lot more squash and other such as cucumbers as well in our garden and actually kept the plant. The thing is that this plant is about 2 feet away from the drip line and it is the biggest squash plant I currently have. It's over 6.5 feet wide, so it's producing a lot of squash. When growing a vegetable garden, one tip I can give you to control pests organically is grow sunflower along with your vegetable garden. Sunflowers attract aphids and other insects that will actually harm your vegetable garden. So they actually draw out all the bad insects and then you can spray them with neem oil and pure castor soap. So sunflowers act as a catch crop to catch all the bad insects.
Sunflowers also do really well in extreme heat over 104 degrees Fahrenheit and 40 degrees Celsius, and they will keep on growing at even 45 to 50 degrees Celsius. I also made a video on 5 reasons to grow sunflowers in your garden, so check that video out if you're interested.
I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you grow these 5 vegetables during the heat of the summer, and I'll see you in another video.